Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that you are well. I will show you my spoken English lecture sheet and writing English also. Actually, we are a different types of people and we have different types of occupation. If you are a student, you are a teacher, you are a housewife, you are a businessman, everyone should know the basic rules of spoken English that will help you to represent yourself. This is our spoken English lecture sheet. It is a passage related spoken English lecture sheet. First times you will read the topics, the importance of learning English. This passage you will read and then you will try to answer these questions in your own way. In this way, you can practice. Our second lecture sheet on 21 February, like this, our another lecture sheet, Independence Day. I try to make this sheet in different types of topics. Pahela Boishak. And you can help from grammar for this, our grammar lecture sheet also. Mm, uh, This is modal verb lecture sheet. Modal verb lecture sheet. It is very important because most of the uh, spoken you can use like can, could, shall, should, may, might, and how will you use this modal verb. I will show you uh, can in ability you can use and different types of example and can and may what is the difference between this and also could past ability and there are lots of example here. Could also like this sheet is created by us and continue and another is very important sheet that is WS questions, how to make WS questions. It is also important because most of the time we can ask many things from our viewers and other people. So there is a structure, WS question structure, and you can follow tense follow. We have also created tense sheet. There are a lot of example here. Where, why, where, what, and questions. There are many examples here that you will see from my lecture sheet. And also dialogue lecture sheet. I will show you later. Dialogue lecture sheet. Where is dialogue lecture sheet? Okay. Dialogue. So you can study, uh, learn this lecture sheet and how to use it, and you know the way of spoken English when you will talk with any person. So thanks all of you. Any type of help that you can get from me. Thanks all of you.